Channel. So today I decided to go ahead and film a rearranging, decluttering, cleaning my room vlog because I'm kind of redecorating my room really, and I have already started with a few things, but today I just want to kind of put my stuff together because I just moved into this house and my stuff is not really like put together. So I really want to start doing that because I want my space to be like, I feel better when my space is like put together and I feel like everything is cute and whatever. My room is pretty cute right now, honestly. That's why I decided to go ahead with the decluttering, the cleaning, because honestly my room is cute. Like, it's not finished, and but you guys wouldn't know it's not finished because it looks like a finished bedroom. But for me, I am a little bit of a maximalist, so I want a lot more stuff. I need a lot more pictures. I need a lot more wall art. I need another rug. I need a new vanity, and I need a new couch. So those are the big things that I have to get, and my room is not finished. I am going to film a updated room tour when it is finished, but right now this is just like a part of the process. So I'm going to go ahead and film a little like reorganizing my room type thing to make it look cute. Today I have to go to Walmart and get some paint spray because I'm going to be spraying one of my mirrors light pink. I'll show y'all that too. And I need to get some organizing bins for my shelf. So my budget today is like $40. So right now my room is a little bit messy because I just started to organize stuff, and yeah, my bed is not made up, but this is my room right now. So yeah, I should have filmed a video before. I think I have a picture of it before I put any of this stuff up. But let me cut this mirror on. So this is my mirror. I'm gonna keep this mirror for sure, but I'm getting the vanity to match this mirror. It's not here yet, so when it do come, I'm gonna show y'all that. Yes.
Hey, Dollie's World.
Okay, so I just found this curtain in my garage, but I really don't want to put too much hot pink in here. Like, I really want to keep the soft pink going, but I do have this pillow right here that I just love so much, and this pink goes perfect with it. This collage up, and I'm gonna put like pictures inside of it that has hot pink accents. So far I've just really been sanitizing and cleaning right now. So I'm gonna be back when I'm on my way to Walmart because my phone about to die. I need to charge it, so be back. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm about to go to Walmart in. My little slides, excuse my pillows, my pillowcases are washing. My slides, my Ted Baker purse, and flip around. My Ted Baker purse, It matched this outfit perfect. And my headband I got from Forever 21. My glasses I got from Route 21. And yeah, we just chilling today. We gonna keep it light on them, okay? We just going and run a few errands, okay? But yeah, let's go so I can come back on. When I be running errands, I really just be trying to get in and out, and I don't be thinking about my phone at all. So anyway, I just left Walgreens. That's where I'm at right now, and I got my pictures from my collage, and they look so pretty. I got one of myself, I got one like Mean Girls one, and I got one like aesthetic black girl hand, and I got what's this, another like collage with like all my favorite things on it. I think I made this for myself. So it got like Powerpuff Girls on it, say whatever. It has Karen down there on the phone.
Karen.
And Rihanna, I got my favorite celebrities, Rihanna. And then I got this, it says too glam to give a damn. I thought that was cute to put in there because it's like I'm grown now, so I can cuss in my room. And I got Saweetie because it's my sis. I don't know if this is 4x6 though, honestly. This don't look like 4x6. But it says divas don't do drama, we do business. And this is Dion and Cher from Clueless. I don't think this is 4x6 either. And I got Nicki Minaj. And I got Ariana and Normani. And I got Meg Thee Stallion, of course. And myself. So yeah, that's all gonna go in my photo collage. Hopefully they fit nicely because I can tell that those are not 4x6. Oh, some of them are 4x4. I should have paid attention to that. I think that was my mistake. But hopefully it still look cute. But I'm about to go home. I'm ready to go home. I got some stuff for our nachos. So we about to go home and eat. And I'm about to finish. I also got some organization bands. I'll show y'all that when I get home because it's all the way in the back. But I got some organization bands, not all what I was looking for, but it's something until I find what I really want. I think I'm gonna go out on Sunday, and you can go ahead, I'm going this way. But I think I'm gonna go out on Sunday and look for more stuff. Like I wanted sequin bands. That's really what I was looking for. And last time we found them at Walmart, and I guess they don't have them no more. To make it look cute, I just glued the pictures onto the clear frame because that was the most frustrating thing I've done all day. But these pictures look so pretty, and my whole wall look cute now, so it looks very put together. The pictures pick up the hot pink in my room, so yes, cute. I gotta take off this sticker, but yeah, this is very cute. Okay y'all, so I finished cleaning my room. I am all finished cleaning. So remember, this is not my finished room decor. This is just me cleaning my room. So let me switch the camera around and show y'all what I finished. So what I did today was basically switch all of these pictures from where they were and put some of them up. So this picture is me on my 21st birthday, and I put my in Paris picture on the side, and I put my hot pink mirror right here. I got this one from, I can't remember, it's so old, but yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all, you know, tell y'all where everything is at right now because this is not a room tour, okay? I just want to show y'all that my room is finished cleaning. I cleaned, I mopped, I swept. This is all clear and organized. This is basically all I did to this side. is put everything in organized bins. And it's still like all of this stuff is just jewelry and random stuff that I really don't have a home in my room. So I just put all of that stuff in bins. I'm gonna get another one like this eventually, but they didn't have no more, so I just got these for now. And yeah, this, and I put up my curtains. I put a gold one in the middle of this pink because the pink honestly was a little bit bland. I feel like I needed something in the middle to make it pop, and the gold did just that. And I put up my hot pink curtain on this side, and I put a silver one on that side. This area is actually cleaner than it was, even though it's still, I don't know why this on the floor, but even though it's still like, it just looked a mess right here, but it was like cluttered earlier. So this is a little bit cleaner. This is some stuff that I still have to take out. I just don't know where I want to put this stuff yet, so it's gonna stay over here. I think I have like more like little decor stuff in there, and this is my old comforter, so I have to put some of this stuff in storage, and I have to hang this gold mirror somewhere. So anyway, but it is clean over here now. It's not cluttered. And yeah, I got my bed made up now. This comforter is like so pretty. I know I'm gonna probably get a new one, but I love the quilted material, and I actually just took it out the dryer, so I was cleaning it earlier. That's why I was on my bed. But yeah, my bed is all pretty. And on the side of my bed, I just have like this gold vintage table and my gold trash bin to match it. This is my iPad that's on the table. Usually it's just thrown on my bed, but this little vintage vase I had got from the thrift store, and I thought it was just so pretty, so I just used it like a little table decor. And yeah, that's that. That corner does look a little danky, so I'm gonna actually figure something out right here. I don't know, but eventually I'm gonna put my bed frame up somewhere. And then I organized this. I had a whole bunch of different purses up here, but I'm gonna keep it to 3 because I think it gets way too cluttered during the week when I switch in my bags. So I got some bags up here in my little organizing thingies, and I cleaned up my vanity. My vanity was a mess. I'm getting a new vanity soon, so I do want to keep this. I still want to keep this one intact because I'm giving it away to my sister. So yeah, and I have another trash bin right here because I throw most of my like little makeup stuff in there, so makeup wipes and stuff like that. And I just have a little bit of jewelry on here, my makeup brushes, that's it, and some more little bags on the back of my closet door. And yeah, I wipe down all my mirrors, I wipe down my walls, and yeah, so this is how it looks. Oh, and I changed my homegirl over here. She had a Gucci scarf on for the longest, so I just put this little cute fur on here to match my room better. Yeah, so she cute. She matching a little more. I might move that. I don't know. I'm thinking to put her actually over here, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna be moving stuff around a lot until I figure out exactly what I like, because I might put this chair over there and then put her over there and then put this table over here. So that might be what I do in a second. But anyway, it's all swept out, and then I was gonna go grab a rug from Walmart to put in front of my thing right here, but I think I'm gonna wait to order it from Amazon. I saw this cute like heart-shaped rug that I want, so I'm gonna put that there. And my couch is all organized. And yeah, it's really cute in here and clean. I really just needed it to be clean and look pretty. So I think I did a good job today with the organizing and cleaning. And another little table over here. Also, another update is this thing that I got to put on my shelf right here. So that's another update. It's so nice and sparkly. I got my crystals on it and my Ariana Grande perfume. All right, y'all. So I'm doing this room little revamping my room video. Well, I'm not doing it again, but I just want to show y'all the updated stuff that I got. So I got this ottoman from Five Below, and it's so freaking cute. It's like an inflatable one, so it's like a balloon in there. And what else I get? I moved my chair over there, even though it really don't make sense to be over there, but that's the only place that I can really keep it because my vanity is over here. But I got this beautiful shelf from Burlington. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. I got this shelf from Burlington, and yeah, so I put this over here. And then what else did I update? I don't think I updated anything else except for this white rug that's in front of my mirror. So yeah, now this is the full revamping my room or rearranging my room. Oh, my little bonnet hanging.